In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Fortinet Support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on the Fortinet website, how to reach the right team quickly, and a few pro tips to make your interaction smoother and faster. Start on the Fortinet homepage. Look for the main navigation bar across the page and click Support. It's typically easy to spot in the middle of the top menu. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, try expanding the site menu or scrolling slightly. Support is the section you want. This takes you to Fortinet's Help and Resources area, where all customer care options are centralized. Once you're on the support page, select Contact FortiCare Customer Support. FortiCare is the official channel for product help, licensing, and entitlement questions, hardware replacement requests, and technical troubleshooting. Clicking this option directs you to Fortinet's Contact Hub. Depending on what you select later, you may be prompted to sign in, especially for case-specific assistance, so have your account details handy if you use a company login. On the Contact Hub, you'll see guidance organized by the kind of help you need. If you want assistance right away, choose Live Chat. This is the fastest path for quick questions, initial triage, or getting a case started. A chat window will open where you can describe the issue, share your device model, and clarify your urgency. If chat is temporarily unavailable or you prefer to talk to someone, choose the phone option. Select your country or region from the drop-down, and the page will display the correct support number and local operating hours for your area. Picking the right location ensures you're routed to the appropriate team without delays. Before you start a chat or make the call, it helps to prepare a short summary of your problem, your product model, and serial number, relevant license or service contract details, your current firmware or software version, and any recent changes or error messages you've noticed. If possible, note the exact time the issue began. These details help the support engineer diagnose faster. Also, make sure your browser allows pop-ups for the chat window and keep a stable internet connection if you're chatting. That's it. Click Support on the Fortinet homepage, select Contact FortiCare Customer Support, then choose Live Chat for immediate help or select your country to get the correct phone number and hours. Keep those key details ready and you'll be on your way to fast, effective assistance. Thanks for watching and good luck with your support request.